Ladies, gents, oh hello, welcome to another vlog. Sorry. Vloggy vlog. Vloggy vlog. I'm like, so far I'm just like confused. Good. So far I just don't know what anybody's doing. So far I'm just gunning it like a bitch. Wow. Oh, hello. Was there a vlog going on? I can't tell. Hello. Vloggy vlog. Welcome. So, here's what we're gonna say. The reason why I always like plan a couple of words to say before I take off. So the way I have like a little intro or some sort of like content. But the reason why I always record these vlogs is to remember the feelings sometimes, like the way I felt in the day or how things were unfolding. Because for example, right now it's literally a day before Thanksgiving break. So what does that mean? That means I have like, so tomorrow I get to work, but tomorrow I have an event until 10 p.m. So tomorrow I'm gonna be working from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. Fucking terrible. But after that I am off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How about that shit? So I have 5 days off for Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna go to some nice dinners. I'm gonna go to you know, some BBQ parties and whatnot. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm fucking shifting like a maniac. But yeah, so that's why I'm so excited right now. And yeah, that's why I said I'd like, this is a timestamp, you know? And the timestamp says, yay, you know? That's basically what the timestamp says. And this person is like, yo B, I'm gonna keep some space between cars because I'm from Jersey. Back in Jersey, people keep a longer distance between cars just because they are not as professional of drivers. You know what I mean? So I'm about to pass everybody and their mama. Look at this fucking traffic, or the lack of it. Cooking with fucking potatoes. Oh, it's all worth it. That's all I got to say. It's all worth it. It's all worth it. Whatever is coming my way. I don't even care if you cry. Yes, that was a little bit of Little Uzi. I'm like legit just a couple of months to years late on everything. And that's why like now, slowly I'm getting into like Little Uzi. It's like cringe fest, you know? I hate all of it because it sucks. It's weird, but then I like it. So I don't know what's going on there. And look, it's like a thin little tiny motorcycle lane right here you can take advantage of. Woo. See, I'm obviously hype. And the craziest part is I only had 1 cup of coffee. So it's not like I had like 5 coffees or something, you know? So there's that. and this part, questionable part. I'm gonna cut this part out. But anyway, long story short, it's like fucking 55 degrees and it's November 19th. You know, right before Thanksgiving. How about them apples? It's incredible. It's incredible. Anywho, here we are. This is the exit. For the love of baby Jesus. This Lincoln Town Car. Nobody here, nobody there, nobody freaking anywhere. How are you gonna move? You know it's not a one-lane road, right? Silly little person. It's 3 lanes. Did not expect there to be a car here. That's okay. That's all right. Anyway, what is this? Would you call this a vlog? I don't know. I don't know. But then again, I don't know much. I don't know much of anything, you know. I would call this a vlog. Sure. It's like a daily video log of what the fuck happened on them streets today. And I'm a little bit playful. I was so busy all fucking morning. You know, I've been working towards this little project that goes unmentioned for the last like fucking 3 or 4 months, since fucking July. And today things finally happened. So hopefully in the next week I'll close this project down. Sorry to be all mysterious, but nobody needs to know the details of this bullshit I'm dealing with. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Maybe. If my buddy over here ever moves his little plumbing and heating van. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.